Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So on today's video, I am going to cook a vegetable spring rolls. I actually crave for it, so I hop into my kitchen and prepare the ingredients. So come and join me while making my recipe, so keep on watching. So guys, let's start and make it simple. So in here, I'm sauteing 1 large sliced onion, 1 carrots, half teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Adding 1/4 portion of white cabbage. Also pouring in 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. So guys, I'm just going to stir the ingredients and let the cabbage cook for some time to soften a little bit. So guys, once it simmers, I'm going to add the bean sprouts. We actually doesn't need to cook this. So at this point, I'm going to turn off the fire on the stove and I'm just going to mix all the vegetables together. The bean sprout will cook from the heat from the other vegetables. So here's our veggies ready to wrap, but we need to set them aside to cool down a little bit. So guys, our veggies has cooled down and it's time to do the wrapping of our spring rolls. So we're gonna be needing some spring roll wrapper like what I have here. I have like 20 sheets from 1 packet and also a water and a brush. I'm going to use this to close the edge of the spring rolls. So I'm just going to cover my hands with some plastic gloves so I will not touch the veggies with my bare hands. So let's start. Do you know guys that bean sprout may help to improve our overall heart health by balancing cholesterol? Studies show that sprouts may help reduce bad cholesterol or LDL, which causes the buildup of artery clogging plaque. Bean sprout may also increase levels of good cholesterol or HDL, which helps clear fatty deposits from the blood. So here's what it looks like after I wrap all the vegetables I have. I can't wait guys, so let's start frying the rolls. So guys, make sure that the pan and the oil are hot enough before frying, so you will have that perfect crispy spring rolls. Guys, my crispy perfect vegetable spring rolls. Wow! Ready to serve and to enjoy. And don't forget to serve it with your favorite dippings. I'm serving mine with my vinegar with cucumber and onion dipping. I hope you guys will give this recipe a try, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, leave some comment down below, tap the notification bell so that you're always updated every time I have an upload. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is beautiful guys, keep smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!